Hello everyone from the channel, how are you? Welcome to today's video. If you're not subscribed yet, take advantage of the opportunity to like it and activate the bell so you don't miss any news. Today, I'm bringing you a tool that will be very helpful for those who work with cell phone repair or even those looking for quick and effective solutions. Problems like FRP, boot loop, corrupted firmware, and more. You'll now see a powerful, completely free tool that will make your life much easier when repairing Android devices. And best of all, works on various models: Samsung, Motorola, Xiaomi, and other brands. Before continuing, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever used Android Utility Pro? Leave a comment below telling us about your experience. The program we're going to show you today is Android Utility Pro version 186. One of the best options for Android technicians and enthusiasts. Compatible with many models, especially MediaTek MTK and Unisoc processors. Its features are incredible. Remove Google accounts, FRP, unlock the bootloader, repair the boot when the phone doesn't boot, turn on, flash the firmware, update or restore the system, and much more. I've already shared previous versions here on the channel and the audience loved them. This is the updated version packed with new features. Do you want to download this program? Follow these simple steps. Open your browser and type www.mixedout.com. In the search bar, type Android Utility Pro. Among the results, you'll find two options. Select version 186. Click Get Link to unlock the download links. I recommend using the link 1. If that doesn't work, try link 2. Also download the driver for your device, available on the same page. This way the program can recognize your phone. Before continuing, please note, temporarily disable your antivirus. During installation, it may block important files. All our files are pre-scanned with VirusTotal to ensure you only receive safe files. Now it's time to unzip the file. Attention, is password protected. You will now see it on the screen. Enter it exactly as it appears. The slightest mistake can prevent extraction. Inside the unzipped folder, you'll find the program executable. I recommend running it as an administrator to avoid permission issues. The best part is that it doesn't need to be installed. It opens directly on your screen, ready to use. So, friends, if you like this suggestion, don't forget to leave a like and share it with other technicians. And of course, subscribe to the channel. If you've already used Android Utility Pro, let us know in the comments which feature you liked the most or what was the biggest problem you solved. And if this video helped you in any way, leave a thank you in the comments. I'll be very happy. See you in the next video. And as I always say around here, technique first, success last. Thank you all and see you next time.